What'd you say?
I think you can hold this. I can hold this thing and.
Why do I have to hold that?
It's heavy. My hands hurting.
You're weak. Why don't you
I know that.
Here, what we're gonna do. Boy, he's strong. He can hold it. Bad man Allikye walking by.
Sometimes I'm gonna just choke them.
You see how strong I am?
Mm-hmm.
It's actually heavy.
Oh God. Look at that guy falling. Didn't Mommy just say be careful of the slippery moss? Big slip out, eh? Gosh, we didn't tell Dillon. He might fall down and kill himself on that cooler.
I want to see him fall down.
Capture the moment right there, you know. Mommy, the beach is like... Mommy, the beach don't exist anymore, you know. Wow. It's a real change, eh? Not for the better, too. Different, eh? Look at it. Look at all the rock and stuff. All the sand's gone, eh? That used to all be sand. That all was sand.
Well, guys, we came here to cook and the cars are line, but the way how the water is here and tide is very high. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head up there and we're gonna cook supper and head back down the road.
What's going on? You getting bit up?
Yeah, he's back on her bite already in it.
Let me see.
Watch. Turn to Allikye.
Well, he who don't wear a shirt get bit.
What kind of sprinting is this? What just now?
Good.
Alright, come.
Boy, you getting bit up? You know how tender and sweet you are. Oh, little tender, sweetie boy.
That's how we move. And they find me and play new. When I do this, is safe way.
Safe way.
Boom! Why?
Hey,
What's
good one.
Drinking.
Wow. That was anticlimactic.
What does that mean?
Not very exciting.
Alive?
No, they're dead.
Yeah?
Do they look alive? Cheers, everyone. So we're gonna do a lobster cook tonight, and we're gonna roll the clip on Arianna actually catching the lobster last night. It was we were very proud of her catching abilities, and I think you'll be proud too, and you'll appreciate this footage. Enjoy. All right, let's go.
Darius, no.
Darius, what are you doing? He's trying to bite you. Come on, girl, you splashed the TV.
Larry lost the number 1, Larry lost the number 2.
Arianna applying for a job. So we're going to test to see which lobster tastes better, the Canadian.
Or the Trinidadian.
I think I already know because the
Trinidadian one will taste better.
The Canadian one is sweeter.
It's more
The Trinidadian one is more salty.
I mean, like salty. So I think Trinidadian win. But guys,
It depends on what you like. If you like sweet or if you like salty.
but I'll
But
put
we'll
a
see.
sweet in it.
But we'll all take a taste and we'll all vote and we'll tell you which one we think is the best.
I believe Trinidadian all the way.
The Canadian one is on the right-hand side and the Trinidadian one is on the left-hand side.
You did that.
Trini. Ooh, it looks like the pot too small.
The pot is too small.
Oh my god. We gonna make it fit. We gonna make it fit. Oh my god.
Mommy, it's okay.
No, the fire out. Right.
Ooh, there's the Trinidadian lobster.
No,
Fogging
the
up here.
Trinidadian.
Trini lobster. There's the Canadian sweet lobster.
Any Canadian one should be red?
They're all should be reddish.
It is red like I expected it to be.
No!
Hot?
Yeah.
I'm super hot.
Water run down in the arm thing.
What thing?
On the
And this is what it looks like, all cooked up nice. Looks nice. As you can see, the Trinidadian lobster is kind of blandish looking. The Canadian lobster looking beautiful, bright and sweet. Well, we'll just see how it tastes.
And you know what's funny?
What's funny?
The Trinidad lobster a little bit dark skin like he white, so that's why he's still sticking around.
Oh, look how spiky he is. Look how nice. You notice how? Oh, that's hot. We have Big Gundy. You have
We have tail.
Zero
we have
Gundy.
We have BAMBSI.
Yeah, that's true. You do have BAMBSI though.
There's
BAMBSI.
two.
That is true.
Look at
Well, we have
Nah, that's small, that's
that's
small.
small BAMBSI. This is Big BAMBSI.
Olha lá, big bang.
Meat. Cheers. Cheers, everybody. This is a nice bite. Mommy, the tail meat is not very good in this
It is mine.
lobster. That's a nice bite. There really isn't much tail meat here at all. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. We're gonna try the Canadian lobster. So,
Yes.
the Canadian lobster. Welcome to Canada, boys.
Why, thank you.
I'm telling you, that's the winner right there.
That is good. That is good.
Mommy, I'm gonna try the Canadian.
Mommy, there's a piece here for you, you know. Here, Harry. There's a little thing in there. You just kind of put your mouth in that and pull it up that way.
I know.
Shove it in. Now press it down.
We.
You're not doing alright.
Who wants that little nugget right there?
What's this?
Whose is this one?
Mine. Oh my god. Ow, it's so spiny as I want.
I can do it how Daddy do it.
Sounds like you're breaking your hand.
Oh, I'm feeling so.
Yeah, let me do it. Let me do it. Put it back in there.
Just a sec here.
You could have that piece.
No, that piece
Oh
is
wait. Let me use my right hand. Use my right hand.
Yeah, this mean business, huh?
Why it's so hard for?
Weekies. Oh boy. Would you like me to do it, boys? You know, you guys have so much muscle and you're
Why
telling me how
don't-
weak I am. Look at that piece, Harry.
bang it on the
Thank
arm.
you.
No, that's Harry's piece.
Oh, no, that's yours. I have this piece.
No.
You're welcome. Suck the juice from that.
Okay, let me show you how it's done. You weaklings. You ready?
Yeah.
You sure? Move it back. Busted!
No, you didn't. No.
Think if I hit you.
Come on.
But slow, wait.
I'm hungry.
Hey, look.
Alright, I'm gonna process the Trinidadian lobster.
No,
See
wait.
how that goes. I'll tell you, there's a lot more meat in the tail than in the Trinidadian lobster, so I'll have to give you that.
I tell you, BAMBSI big.
Canadian lobster. Yes, I'm going to meet the Trinidadian lobster then and you know.
That's a big BAMBSI lobster. Watch all long day. Watch quite to the bottom by the DS.
3. Are you ready?
Everybody
You have to say
take.
who- You have to say which one you like better, eh?
3. Okay, 3, 2,
Darius is eating so fast, I don't even know
Cheers.
he's doing. No. How many you have it in these? How many here?
What is swinging? Trini or Canadian?
Hold up. I like the Trinity tail, but I like the Canadian claw. So attachment.
Mommy, you want these?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest with you right now, you know. I like Trini BAMBSI.
Yes, what?
Alright. It's actually really good. It's salty. Allikye says it's a tie.
Damn.
Allikye and Arianna say it's a tie.
Allikye, Darius and Dillon.
I actually been persuaded. I think the salty one tastes better, you know.
So guys, as you can hear from David, Trini all the way. I think that's why he's still here. Dillon, say it loud. Darius.
Thai. Trinidad. Mary.
Thai.
Allikye. All right. So we have Canadian. What'd you say? Trinidad. Thai. Trinidad. And Mommy didn't vote really.
Me, personally, Trini, all the way. Trinidadian, lobster, all the way. Canadian family, I love you guys, but the Trinidadian lobster is so much salty and so much special.
That's why I married you. 'Cause that's exactly.
But daddy not salty. No, the Trinidadian one salty.
No, that is sweet.
Oh,
We
yeah,
have
yeah.
a slight salt and sweetness to it. That's why we,
Bit peppery actually.
yeah.
It's a bit peppery.
So thank you for watching, subscribing, liking the video, and we can't wait to see you guys on the next one. We out.